This question has come about because the current situation with the pandemic, and that is, will I hurt my immune system if I don't leave the house? And the truth is, yes. You can't get locked up in your house and not be exposed to um, some of the friendly bacteria out there that you need to fight the bad bacteria in your system. So you need to get enough oxygen. uh, Oxygen in your house recycles regardless of whether you leave your windows open or not, or whether you have the air conditioner on or not. So you need sun, and it's really important. I know that those people back east in the Midwest might not be able to get sun, but there is those sun lamps that you can get that will help you out. But you definitely need to get out of the house. You need to get out and roll in the dirt, you know, sit on the grass, feel things, touch things. With this pandemic, that's a little bit of an issue. Just be careful. Be careful what to touch or who you touch. And make sure that when you're around public, you do wear a mask in case they decide to spit on you and in the face, and and you get the virus anyway.